Today our learning target is I can create and model an addition and subtraction story problem by using a visual I create. So we're going to think about using pizzas for our story problem. And pizzas are an easy thing that's divided up in fractions that we are all familiar with. So the first thing I want to do when I'm creating my visual is make sure that my two pizzas are about the same size, to the best of my ability. You guys will have the pizza dough already made for you, your pizza circles, so you won't have to worry about that. And I want you to notice that on those on the worksheet that they are the same size. What you will have to do is decorate your pizza to make it look like your favorite kind, and then you'll have to divide it into eighths. What we know about eighths is that if we divide it in half first and then cut the half in half to make fourths, we can easily cut the fourths in half to make eighths, because eighths are half of fourths and fourths are a half of half. So to the best of my ability, I'm going to create equal slices. And that doesn't look good. Okay, so there we go. I have two pizzas, one cheese, and one pepperoni. You can decorate yours to let us know which kind you have. You don't have to label it. Okay, so now I want to think of a story problem using addition. I could think about eating 2 slices of cheese pizza. That's 2 out of my total, which is 8. And 1 slice of pepperoni pizza. 1 out of my total, which is 8. So my numerator is 1, which is the slice that I ate. And my denominator is 8, which is how many pieces make up the whole. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I wanted to create an addition problem, like how many pieces of pizza did I eat altogether, I would take my 2/8 and add it to my 1/8. So I had 2 pieces of cheese pizza and 1 piece of pepperoni, which makes a total of 3 pizzas out of 8. My total is still 8. And it's 8 because both pizzas have 8 slices. Notice how our denominator does not change. 8ths, 8ths, and 8ths. The only thing that you need to do is add the numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So I ate a total of 3/8 of the pizza. I can also make this a subtraction problem. And I would think about using just one of the pizzas here. Maybe I want to use the cheese pizza. So I had a total of 8/8 of the pizza. That's the whole pizza. And then I ate 2/8 of the cheese pizza. That's these 2 slices here. So I have a total of 6/8 of the cheese pizza left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of the 8 pieces of cheese pizza are still left. If I wanted to do the pepperoni pizza, I have 8/8 again. I ate 1/8 of the pepperoni pizza. So now there are 7/8 of the pepperoni pizza left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is a way that you can create a subtraction problem using fractions. Sometimes we will be dividing shapes that aren't always circles. Here are 2 squares that we can also divide up. There's a couple ways that you can divide up your square, you can cut it in half again, and then cut that in half and make fourths. And then you can take each of those and cut them in half like that. You could also do that same thing, but cut diagonally like you did the circle pizza. And you try to want to make that as close as possible to the same size. You can also cut these horizontally this way and get the same thing. Each time I have 8 equal pieces. So you might not always have a circle, but you can easily still turn it into 8ths using a square. So today what we did was create story problems, addition and subtraction story problems using a visual model that you created.